How to measure a room without the designer's help. You will need the following: a house plan, a tape measure, a marker pen or pencil, a smartphone to take photos of the room, a sheet of paper to draw a plan, a compass to define which direction the window faces, a folder as a surface to draw a plan. Step 1. Doors. Measure the height, width, and depth of the door. Step 2. Walls. Measure every door ledge to calculate the needed materials. Measure the distance from the floor to the ceiling next to each door. It may vary from one corner to another. Step 3. Windows and doors. Measure the height and width of window openings, as well as the distance from the floor to the top of the door opening. Check the sloping depth. It should be the same. Define in which direction the window opens. It will help to properly arrange the space by the windows. This is where you will need a compass. Step 4. Important notes. Mark the location of outlets and switches, plumbing, load-bearing beams, heaters, ventilation, place for chandelier and light fixtures, columns, stairways. After you have completed all measurements, take a photo of the room. Define the direction of the window's opening, location of the plumbing, outlets, columns, etc. If you forget something as time passes by, the photo will come as a reminder.